The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is at the forefront of Samsung's preparations for a significant moment in the foldable market. In addition to the Z Fold 7, the company has formally stated that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the new Z Flip FE will also be unveiled at its Summer Unpacked event in New York on 7. A thorough look at the future gadgets has been provided by the many renders and leaks that we have seen in the lead-up. Everything, including button placement, camera setup, and design. However, one particular modification has recently drawn a lot of attention. The textured camera rings that were first shown on devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy S25 were intended to give them a unique appearance, but many people felt that they devalued the design. According to a recent Ice Universe post, Samsung took note of the feedback and decided to remove them for the Z Fold 7 at the last minute. He said Samsung's original plan was to keep them. The rings were still there in the early prototype, which is likely why the model in this picture had them, but they are completely removed in the finished design. The end effect is a more streamlined, elegant camera arrangement that feels more consistent with what you would anticipate from a high-end flagship. The camera lens configuration is quite powerful. When folded, it is anticipated to have a stylish 8.2mm chassis that houses a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto unit. There is a 6.5-inch cover screen and an 8.2-inch AMOLED primary display within. Intriguingly, Samsung is issuing issuing the under-display selfie camera in favor of a conventional hole punch in an effort to enhance the quality of its images and videos. We are examining the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor running Android 16 with One UI 8. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.